Hello my dear students, in this video we will talk about the muscular system. Dear students, tell me, what is this? Yes, it is the muscle, and we know that there are more than 600 muscles in an adult human body. So all the muscles of the body together form the muscular system. Now we will focus on the muscles, its types, function, and how are they connected to bones. Dear students, try this. Close your fist tightly and bend your arm at the elbow. Now feel the upper part of the arm. What did you experience? Did you feel the hardness in the upper arm? This fleshy part consists of muscles. Muscles contract and relax as different parts of a body move. Muscles give our body a specific shape and posture. Now we will talk that what are muscles. Muscles are the bundles of cells and fibers that can contract and relax as they are required. Dear students, muscle is a flexible kind of a rubber or elastic. Like rubber, it can stretch and change the shape like this. The action of muscle is necessary for all kinds of movement, from the small movement of eyelids to those that demand great strength, as when chopping wood with an axe. We use muscles for various movements like talking, laughing, walking, jumping, eating, and so on. Now we are going to discuss about the types of muscles. My dear students, as we know that there are more than 600 muscles in an adult human body, but some of the muscles in the body can be controlled by us, like the muscles of arms and legs. So these types of muscles are called voluntary muscles. And some of the muscles move on their own, like the muscles of intestines and heart. So these types of muscles are called involuntary muscles. My dear students, now we will talk about that how our muscles are connected to bones. Muscles are connected to bones by tendons. Look here students, we have muscle here and we have bone. So this muscle and bone are attached to each other by tendon. So muscles and bones, they are attached to each other by tendons. Now what are tendons? Tendons are the fibrous tissue that connects a muscle to the bone. Look at this picture. What do you see here? These are the two bones which are connected to each other. Do you know how they are connected? Are they connected to each other by glue? No, they are connected to each other by ligaments. Now what are ligaments? Ligaments are band of fibrous tissues that connects two bones. Two bones meet each other at joint. You can see here the two bones, they are connected to each other at joint. So joint is the place where two bones connect each other. Dear students, we have different types of joints in our body. Like we have ball and socket joint, which is found in our shoulders and hip. We have hinge joint, which is found in our knees and elbow. We have pivot joint, which is found in our neck. So here we have different types of joints in an adult human body. So my dear students, this was all about the muscular system. I hope you have understood it. Thank you.